first thing that we're going to talk about, and that's installing your new valve stem. These valve stems are a little different than what you might be used to in a valve stem and a rim, where either it's rubber that you pull through the rim half, or that you slide it in and tighten a nut. A little bit different. If you look here, this valve stem has kind of like a rectangular shape that actually locks into this rim. Now when you get this valve stem, it's going to have a brand new O-ring on it, a new cap, a new core, and will fully have been sealed where the tank valve gets installed into the valve stem itself. So when you come on over, there's a little slot in this rim that you just simply slide your valve stem in. You take the lock nut, get it started on there, and once you run that in as far as you can with your fingers, you grab a 3/4 inch wrench and simply tighten this down. Now you can do this while it's on the rim half or while it's on the ground. Either way, you don't want to take it too tight, because taking it too tight, you will actually break the valve stem, and nobody wants to do that. So snug is about the best way I can put it. And that's all there is to it.